Hello children, this is 8th standard maths. Chapter name is algebraical expression and identity. You know what is meant by algebraical expression? Algebraical expression means a number with a letter. Number with a letter means numerals and letter or variables and constant. With the variable and constant is a algebraical expression. In that we know that it is divided into three parts. One is monomial, then binomial and trinomial. Monomial 3x means single term. Binomial means two terms. How here monomial 3x, this is monomial because in between no symbol, in between 3 and x no symbol is given, so this is monomial. Then for example 3x with a and between a plus or minus any symbol, same letter we have written 3 plus x or 3a plus x. This is binomial because first one is first term and after symbol is second term. So binomial means two term, monomial means single term, one term, binomial is a two term, and trinomial means three terms. Tri means three, trinomial is three term. For example, x plus 2y minus 3z, x plus 2y minus 3z. This is trinomial because in between symbols are given plus or minus any symbol. So here this one is first term and this is second term and this is third term. X is first term, second term, third term. Three term is trinomial, two term is binomial, single term is monomial. So here we can add y, 3xy, then z. So this is also monomial because in between no symbol. If plus or minus symbols are given means that become trinomial or polynomial. Polynomial means algebraical expression with more than two term. More than two term is polynomial. So 3xyz is monomial. Reason is in between no symbol and in between here symbol is given. So this is first term, second term, two term is binomial, three term is trinomial. Then algebraical expression and polynomial over. Now next is equation. What is the difference between algebraical expression and equation? This is algebraical expression and trinomial. Same expression, x plus 2y minus 3z equal 0. Means here we are getting left side and right side. Left side and right side are there, and equation means equal symbol. Means left side and right side and joining with the equal symbol, then it is a equation. Next is multiplication of monomial with binomial or trinomial. Multiplication of monomial with binomial or trinomial. Rule is multiply. I written in a short form. Int cross means multiply. Multiply monomial with each term of binomial or trinomial or polynomial. Multiply rule is multiplication of monomial with binomial or other term polynomial. Multiplication of binomial with multiplication monomial with polynomial means multiply monomial with each term of polynomial means binomial or trinomial. Now multiplication of monomial with binomial or trinomial. Next exercise 9.3. The second main is related to multiplication of monomial and binomial. Now here 3x, now you know the difference of monomial, binomial and trinomial. 3x is monomial, 4 plus 3y is binomial. So now we have to multiply 3x with 4 plus 3y. Find the product. Product means always multiplication. 3x bracket means into, instead of writing into we can write bracket. 3x plus 3x bracket 4 plus 3y. Find the product means multiplication. Bracket means also instead of writing into symbol we can write bracket. Now rule is multiply the monomial with each term of binomial or trinomial or polynomial. Now we are giving more importance or more preference to monomial. 3x with 4, again 3x with 3y. Multiply 3x into 4 and 3x into 3y equal 3x into 4 bracket. So here plus symbol, so you have to write plus then again with the 3x into 3y. First term monomial with first term, then again monomial with second term. 3x into 4, here plus symbol, so same plus symbol. Again 3x into 3y. Now 3 4s are 12, x as it is. In here plus removing bracket plus then 3x plus 3y means 3 first multiply the number. 3 into 3 is 9, x into y is xy. Unlike terms, write as it is. That is our. Now next example is here trinomial. Multiply trinomial with monomial. A plus b minus c and 2a. So a plus b minus c is trinomial and 2a is monomial. Now we have to multiply monomial with trinomial. Rule is same. We have to multiply monomial with each term of binomial or trinomial or polynomial. So 2a into a plus 2a into b minus 2a into c means, or we can say a into 2a plus symbol b into 2a monomial each term, then here minus, so we have to write minus symbol here, then c into 2a. Multiplying each term with the monomial, a into 2a plus b into 2a minus c into 2a. Now removing bracket, a into 2a is, it means here 1 is there, 1 2s are 2, no number means 1 is there, 1 2s are 2, a to the power 1, a to the power 1 is there, 1 plus 1 is 2. No, multiplication of exponent means power means just we have to add the power. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus b into 2a. So here 1 is there, 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2, now multiply the number first, b into a is ab or ba, and here symbol that bracket is removed, minus c into 2a, so it means no number means 1 is there, 1 into 2 is 2, c into a is ca or ac. This is your answer.